Your kitchen isn't just a room, it's where you cook, eat, socialize, and live a good part of your day. But a beautiful kitchen can fall flat if the layout doesn't fit how you live. Today, we'll show you how to pick a kitchen layout that matches your lifestyle, cooking habits, and space. So your kitchen works for you, not against you. The best layout depends on how you live and your space. How much space do you have? Small apartment, average home, or large open space? How many people cook regularly? Solo, couple, family, multiple cooks? Do you entertain frequently or cook large meals? What are your storage needs? Minimal, moderate, or heavy? Do you value open flow and social space or separate dedicated cooking zone? The classic design principle of the kitchen work triangle is to position the stove, sink, and refrigerator so they form an efficient triangle. This minimizes unnecessary movement. Layout must also consider traffic flow, appliance doors, walking paths, storage access, and living dining room adjacency. L-shaped kitchens are flexible and open, but they have less storage than U-shaped kitchens. U-shaped kitchens offer maximum storage and prep area, but can feel enclosed or cramped without enough space. Galley kitchens are efficient for cooking or small spaces, but they have limited social seating area. One-wall kitchens are very compact with minimal disruption, but they may lack work zone separation. Island kitchens are social, spacious, and multifunctional, but they require ample space and careful planning for traffic flow. Measure your space carefully: walls, windows, doors, clearances. Think about how your household uses the kitchen. Cooking versus entertaining versus minimal use. Consider future needs: family growth, resale value, flexibility. Use 2D, 3D planning tools to visualize layout and flow before building. There's no one-size-fits-all kitchen layout. The right one depends on your space, lifestyle, cooking habits, and future plans. Take time to evaluate how you live, sketch your space, or use a kitchen planner tool, and match layout to real life, not just style. If you're planning a remodel, write down how you use your kitchen now and what you wish it could be.